Are you ready? Sing.
Guys, welcome to my channel. This is your first time, kindly subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified when next I upload content. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into today's G. So guys, Kizz Daniel actually shut down Australia yesterday night. Kizz Daniel was so excited to see a lot of fans who were so happy to see him yesterday. I know a lot of you have not seen Kizz Daniel performing the cough which he released some weeks ago on stage. Just look at how Kizz Daniel shut down stage yesterday. Just look at the video so you see what I'm talking about as Kizz Daniel performed cough, buga and pour me water with top songs which he released over the years. Let me show you some of the highlights of how it went down and tell me what you have to say concerning this. Thank you. I'm out.
All right. Go. All right, you know what? You know. Are you ready? Sing.